Hello! Welcome. Today we're going to be searching for the wildest and purest sandwich. Its natural habitat is inside this house. It's going to be really hard to find it. So let's go. And so I searched in the most obvious place first. Alright, this is the home of the sandwich. Whoa! It's a wild brick! You have to be really careful with these. They can bite you. Ah! Bit me. Soon, I'm going to turn into a brick. As you can see, I turned into a brick. And so, I asked some of the locals if they have seen any signs of the sandwich, but no useful information from them. Now we need to search the entire house. Oh, not there, not there. Okay. As you can tell, sandwiches love games. Might be inside here. Nope. The sandwich is right over there, in the kitchen. I should have thought of this before. But you'll have to be extremely careful. No, and get it. Okay. Now.
That day I lost a sandwich, and my English accent. But I need to find out who took it and why.